Channeling skateboarding into my surfing. Surfing session 327, 4 years into my surfing progression. We had a fairly flat summer, so I was skateboarding a lot instead of surfing. I've been skating at the skate park and even pumping and carving in the skate park bowl. I go at the early hours to have the park all to myself. At the skate park, I get to practice a lot of the skills on the skate park features like the quarterpipe, the ramps, and the skateboarding bowl. I've learned a lot. Hurricane Kirk sent a lot of great swells to our area in October 2024. Today, I was channeling a few things I'd learned while skateboarding into my surfing session today. It was a great session, and I caught some great rights and lefts. I got to pump up and down the wave and incorporate some great top turns and a few cutbacks too. Here are a few concepts that I've been working on. First, I lean forwards when you're dropping in on a wave. This will help you accelerate down the wave and give you speed for your bottom turn. It feels like a runner stance, leaning forwards as the runner starts a sprint. If you lean backwards too much, the board will slow down and it may slide under you and you fall back. It hurts a lot more when you fall on concrete rather than water, but you know what I mean. Second, channel the kick turns when you do a bottom turn and the top turn. This essentially leans your weight towards the back tail when you are turning for both the bottom turns or the top turns. This will keep your nose up in the air and prevent it from nosediving. And it'll also force me to dig my tail and my fin. It'll dig them into the water, which will help me push the rail in and help me turn. Third, lean into the bowl. If I'm doing a top turn on the lip or hitting the top of a transition at the skate park, you want to learn backwards into the slope of the wave again. This will keep your body perpendicular and balanced to the water surface. This allows you to position your weight to fall back down the wave again and accelerate again into the next bottom turn. Also, it forces a natural switch in the rail that is carving into the water. So for example, if I'm doing my bottom turn with my toe side rail into the water, as I'm doing my top turn, I flip it, lean back, and then my heel side rail becomes in the water. So it allows me to do an S-carve on the wave. Fourth, pump twice on a wave. Pumping involves compression and extension. I used to extend only once on a bottom turn and top turn cycle. However, I realized I can pump twice on a wave from skateboarding. First, I can pump by compressing and extending as I come down the wave into a bottom turn, and this provides extra speed to go down the line. Then I can do a second pump and to compress and extend and project my board upwards towards the lip of the wave. So it's really two pumps. Finally, I need to incorporate everything together smoothly whenever I'm skateboarding or surfing. I need to combine the feeling of the drop-in, the twisting of a kick turn, the leaning back into the bowl, and the compression and extension of pumping. Skateboarding allows me to practice all of these skills at the skate park, whether there are waves or not in the ocean, and I can bring all of these skills to surfing. It just hurts a lot more when you fall on concrete rather than falling in the water. I'm at surfing session number 327 in my surfing progression over 4 years. I'm still learning and continuing to work hard on improving. If you have any friendly tips or comments, please share them with me in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. That'll really help my channel. And check out my other surfing videos on my surfing playlist on YouTube.